Are you looking for the top 5 best cooling towels for hot days? Which cooling towel is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, Sukin Cooling Towels 4-pack. First up, we have the Sukin 4-pack cooling towels. Priced at $15.99, these towels caught my eye because they come in 4 different colors and are made from soft microfiber. If you want a reliable cooling towel that can keep you chill during your workouts or outdoor activities, this is worth a serious look. These towels use a hyper-evaporative breathable mesh material that cools you down when you soak, wring, and snap it. That means it draws sweat away from your skin, keeping you comfortable for up to 3 hours. Plus, there's no harsh chemicals involved, making it safe for everyone, even pets. With over 5,000 sold in the last month, it seems like a popular choice. Now, I should mention that some users find them a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the thing though, as long as you're not looking for something ultra compact to fit in your pocket, I think the cooling effect is truly worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're an active person who enjoys outdoor sports or needs relief from heat during workouts. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight or easily portable. For the price, you get great value.
Product number 2, Sukin Cooling Towels, different colors. Next, we have another Sukin 4-pack cooling towel, priced slightly higher at $17.99. This version comes in vibrant colors like green and pink, which can be very appealing. If you're looking for a cooling towel that not only works well but looks good, this is worth a serious look. Like the previous Sukin towels, these also use that hyper-evaporative technology, keeping you cool for hours. They are perfect for sports, workouts, and even for managing headaches or heat-related issues. If you're sweating a lot, you can rinse them to maintain their cooling effect, which is pretty cool. However, some users mention that the towels can feel a little stiff after washing, but honestly, I found it doesn't affect their performance. As long as you follow the care instructions, they should still provide the cooling you need. This is perfect for you if you love style and function in your workout gear. Skip this one if you prefer a softer feel right out of the package. For the price, you're getting a stylish solution that works. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're really focused on budget without. Product number 3, Small Electric Cooling Towels. Now, let's talk about the small electric cooling towels, which you can grab for just $7.99. With a price like that, they're definitely budget-friendly and come in a fun multicolor pack. If you want a great cooling towel without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These towels are made from a hyper-evaporative material that really does keep you cool for hours. Just wet them, wring them out, and they're ready to go. Plus, they offer UPF 50 protection from the sun, which is an added bonus for outdoor activities. That's pretty impressive for the price, considering they've also sold over 3,000 units this month. One thing I noticed is that they might not stay as cool as some pricier options. But here's the thing, if you're using them casually or for shorter activities, they still do a great job. This is perfect for you if you need a budget option for casual use at the park or gym. Skip this one if you need something for long, intense workouts where maximum cooling is critical. You really can't beat the value here. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more durability and effectiveness, the next product on our list brings a different approach. Product number 4, Frog Togs Chili Pad. Next up, we have the Frog Togs Chili Pad, priced at $9.88. This one stands out because of its unique polymer material that claims to cool you down by up to 30 degrees. If you want a towel that promises serious cooling relief, this is worth a serious look. What's really cool about this towel is its ability to absorb up to 8 times its weight in water, which allows it to stay cool longer. It's perfect for everything from gardening to outdoor sports. Plus, it comes with a handy storage container, making it easy to carry around. However, a few users mentioned that it can feel a bit heavy when wet, but honestly, that's a small trade-off for a towel that provides such significant cooling relief, especially in extreme heat. This is perfect for you if you're often outside in hot conditions and need something reliable. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight fabric that's easy to carry. For the price, product number 5, Frog Togs Chili Pad, different color. Finally, we have another Frog Togs Chili Pad, also priced at $9.88, but in a different color. This version offers the same fantastic features as the previous one, making it a great option if you want variety.
If you're looking for effective cooling with a pop of color, this is worth a serious look. This cooling towel also utilizes that same hyper-evaporative technology, and just like its sibling, it retains water while staying dry to the touch. It's super absorbent and can provide great cooling relief during outdoor workouts or events, which is what you want when the temperature rises. However, I did see some complaints about durability after multiple washes, but honestly, I think if you take care of it, it should last a good while without issues. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that still performs well. Skip this one if you're planning on heavy use without careful maintenance. For the price, it delivers solid cooling and comfort. Looking at all 5 products, each has its strengths. The Sukin packs offer style and utility, while the small electric towels are perfect for the budget conscious. The Frog Togs options provide serious cooling power, so no matter your needs, there's definitely a cooling towel here for you.
To wrap it up, we've covered 5 fantastic cooling towels. Whether you're looking for style with the Sukin options, budget-friendly choices from Small Electric, or the powerful cooling from Frog Togs, there's something here for everyone. Stay cool out there.